Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys fingerprint add setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you add fingerprint lock in your Vivo phone device. Guys you want to add your fingerprint so guys you can add and guys now let's see how to add fingerprint lock in our Vivo phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting without waste time to add your fingerprint lock. Then guys scroll it. Security setting, tap here. Fingerprint, tap here. Guys draw your pattern. And as you can see add fingerprint. So where you want to add, so guys add here. Again, for which fingerprint guys you want to add, so I have used this thumb, so I will take this one finger. So again guys we will have to do same touch and remove guys you can see. Then guys different move. Then guys you can see it's going very fast. So you can see the tap here. So as you can see guys we have two fingerprints in our Vivo phone. So as you can open your phone with this finger and with your thumb. So all your friends have understood how to add fingerprint lock in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So it's now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.